Hello guys. Welcome to my channel, One Happy Lad. Today I will take you through the process of applying Australian Federal Police check. First of all, we need to go to Australian Federal Police website that you can see on the screen. The minimum requirement to apply for Australian Federal Police check is 100 points of identification. Here you can see the list of identification documents that you can use to achieve 100 points of identification. You must have one primary document with you and second one could be any of these secondary documents. You can combine the points of 3 or 4 documents if 2 of your documents can't make up 100 points. These documents have to be scanned. Photos taken by mobile phone are not acceptable. And you do not have to get these documents attested by JP. Let's go to next step by checking this box and pressing next button. You need to fill all the information including your first name, last name, date of birth and your email address. In Purpose of Check tab in Purpose Type you need to select Commonwealth Employment Purpose. In Purpose of Check drop-down list, you need to select one of the following options, depending on why you need this policy check. For example, if you need it for immigration or citizenship purpose, you can select option 33. In the next option, if you need a hard copy of this police check sent to you by mail, you can check this box. And you can press next button to go to next page. In this step you need to acknowledge with the following list of terms and conditions by checking the box, and once you are done press the next button. In this step, you have to choose the document files that you want to use for your identity purpose from your computer or mobile if you are using a smartphone to access this website, and click Upload Files button. And you have to check this box if you are sure that you have verified that you have uploaded the correct documents and press the next button to go to next step. In this step you have to mention your country of birth, your contact number, your driving license number and the state that issued this driving license, and select No if you have not been known to any name other than mentioned above, and press the next button. In this step select Yes if you live in Australia, and mention your current address and start date of this address, and if your mailing address is same as current address, you need to check this box, otherwise mention the mailing address. In the next option you need to mention all of your previous addresses where you lived, even for a month since you arrived in Australia. And once you are done, press the next button. In this step, you need to double-check if all of the information you provided is correct, and check both of these boxes, and press the next button to go to next step. In the final step, you need to pay the fees to process your police check using your credit card details and click Pay button.